of the Indico integration gateway with Guidewire's ClaimCenter. Now, similar to the Guidewire Policy Center integration, we're seeing customers that have a claims inbox that they have to go through and manually process. So in an example like this, the user would come in and open this claims email. They would understand what the claim is all about. They would have to identify the current policy number. They'd go into Policy Center. They'd likely have to start a new claim. They may have to create an unverified claim. They would copy and paste details into each of these things, and again, toggling back and forth to the email to get all of the information they need. So what Indico has done is we've trained a workflow, we've created a workflow and trained a model to extract data elements from that claims email inbox or from that claims email message. You'll see here that while in the past we had about 10 fields, in this case we're looking for about 19 fields, and that's because ClaimCenter actually breaks out fields a little bit differently than Policy Center. So you'll have things like first names and last names, and there's different address formats as well. And the beauty of Indico is that we can actually create a workflow and an agent to extract data in the way that your application needs it. So in this case, we've updated the ClaimCenter extraction to match the way that general liability claims would be created in ClaimCenter. Again, what it looks like in the Indico interface, you see that we've captured things like the sender's email, the date and time the message was received, the named insured, the state of the insured, which is crucial for creating a claim, and then that policy number. So if we were to come back into ClaimCenter, we actually go search on that policy number, and we can actually see, we'll search on this policy number, and what we should be able to see here is that we've already created a claim. So we've created a temporary claim for this. We've recorded key information about this claim. We've created deadlines and activities. We've set up the named insured and the reporter details. We've pulled that reporter's information out of the body of the email. And then even if we go over into general information about the loss, you'll see that we've captured the loss description from the email as well as the date of loss. Now, similar to the Policy Center integration, this is a reference implementation. So we would expect the customers to build out the number of fields that they're looking for their use cases. But this is the base set of fields needed to create a new general liability claim that will give you now a new claim number that you can use to go through and process this claim and work with your customers.